In this lecture, I want to talk to you about how to discover your genius, and I was able to find a really neat formula from a book by David Schrenk, and the book is called The Genius in All of Us. Now, in his book, he has this formula, and he says that your genius times your environment is going to equal your rate of success. So in his book, The Genius in All of Us, David Schrenk did a research study out in Kansas, and he took 3 groups of families, which were the welfare class, the working class, and then the professional class. And he did a study on the children in each one of these families. And he found this. Every day in the professional class family, children were being exposed to 1,500 more words compared to the welfare class family. 1,500 more words every single day. Now, that might not seem like such a big deal, and it's just words, right? But when you think about it, these children are being exposed to over 8 million more words every single year. And in a 4-year span, they're being exposed to over 32 more million words. And where are they getting these words from? Probably having their children read more. They're probably having their children just be exposed to their conversations, or taking them places, or doing this and having this activity, and having more friends over and exposing them to more words, to better education. And so what this does is it really gets their mind stimulated, and it arouses their genius much, much more. So we now know the children of the professional class are getting bombarded with more words every day. And in fact, about 8 million approximately every year, 32 million over a 4-year span. That is an incredible amount. What is the purpose and what is the point of all that then, if it's just words, right? I mean, can words really be that powerful? Well, absolutely they can. He took it a step further. He discovered that these children in the professional families were exposed to over 500,000 encouraging, positive words in that 4-year span as well. And that is compared to only 100,000 encouraging words in the working class family. And in the welfare family, they actually found that there was 100,000 discouraging words compared to encouraging words. What a massive difference. And here's why. When you have encouraging, positive words, that makes you motivated. That inspires your genius. That inspires your mind. It inspires you to want to do good things. It inspires you, gives you hope. It gives you courage. It gives you confidence. It gives you all these things. And if you're exposed to that every single day in all these different words, well, that's going to stimulate your genius. And that's going to really bring you to a higher level of learning.